AI video generation is moving fast, and today I am testing Higgsfield AI, a platform that brings multiple leading AI video models and a full cinematic workflow into one place. I will walk through the tools, show how the workflow actually works on screen, and share where this makes sense for the creators. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI video platform designed to make AI video creation more creator friendly. Instead of using separate tools for images, motion and audio, Higgsfield combines multiple high-end models inside a single interface. They have many varieties of models like Nano Banana Pro, K-Link 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and recently Higgsfield introduced the Cinematic Studio, an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline that takes you from a first frame to a finished video. Let's go inside the platform. Here inside Higgsfield, I can choose different models depending on what I want to generate. I will start with the Cinema Studio since it's designed for a full cinematic workflow. Cinema Studio lets you go from text to image and then image to video in one united flow. I will start by describing a scene. From here we can select any camera movement. I am selecting the orbit around. From here you can select the aspect ratio, timings, audio and slow motion. Now here we have to add a start frame and an end frame. I am attaching these two images, one as start frame and one as end frame. Let's generate. Once the prompt is set, Higgsfield processes the scene using its internal models. The idea is consistency, framing, lighting and the motion stay intentional. This is the generated shot. You can see the cinematic framing and motion consistency. Now let me quickly show another model, the Nano Banana Pro. This model specifically focuses on the high quality image generation. It supports 1K, 2K and 4K outputs. And it's especially strong with readable text, structured visuals and consistent characters. Now let's try this, the Nano Banana Pro. For saving the time, I have copied a prompt written by using ChatGPT, and now I am using this prompt to generate the images. Below is the selection part where you can select the model. Here I am selected the Nano Banana Pro and aspect ratio 9:16, and now I am generating the image. Let's wait for the generation. You can see the quality of the image generated. It is the very high quality image and selectively to the prompt. There are also many other models in it, like for the audio there is K-Link 2.6 Audio and WAN 2.5. Go a step further by generating videos with audio, motion and voice in a single pass. Higgsfield AI makes sense for the creator who wants cinematic AI without managing multiple tools or subscription. It's useful for the YouTube creators, filmmakers experimenting with AI, and anyone who wants fast iteration with the real control over motion and audio. One thing I like about this is its straightforwardness. You can generate content directly inside the platform. Like most AI video tools, result depends heavily on the prompts and complex scenes may take a few attempts. Like most AI video tools, results depend heavily on the prompts and the complex scenes may take a few attempts. This isn't a replacement for traditional filmmaking, but as an AI-assisted workflow, it's one of the more complete systems available right now. If you are exploring AI video generation, Higgsfield is the worth testing. I will leave the relevant links and details in the description.